Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to program and update the software in the 79781 Eagle 2 control box. Step 1. With the power off, plug the control panel into the control head interface port on the motherboard. Step 2. Plug the flash drive with the software downloaded from the zip file into the USB port on the motherboard. Step 3. Connect power to the SPA. If your Eagle 2 control box was built before February 2025, the graphic uploading process may take up to 15 minutes. The diagnostic lights will flash from left to right while uploading software. After the green power on light starts flashing, press and hold the SW1 button on the motherboard for 3 seconds to enter service mode. Step 5. Touch Select to see a list of SPA models. Step 6. Touch Next to find your SPA model. Touch Select to confirm your SPA. Step 7. Disconnect power and remove the flash drive. Step 8. Connect power to the SPA. Step 9. Verify the software and SPA model. For High Life SPAs, press the settings icon and then press the info button. For Limelight SPAs, follow these steps. 1. Press the Options hard button. Press the Setup button. Press the More button. Press the More button again, and press the Software button. Verify the SPA model and software. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.